In the next part, we will demonstrate how to take the knots with the help of color tapes for easier demonstration. So, again, the structure you want to ligate, we come around it, over it, and the thread which is coming below the ligature or towards your left will be on your left hand, and again kathak position. So my middle finger will come and take the shorter thread, the blue thread below the red thread, and we will slide. So now see the movement of my hand, how I have rotated and turned to pronation position, and then slide the knot with the help of this thing. So this pronation movement is very important, and then you are holding the thread with the help of middle and thumb finger, and again making a loop with the help of index finger and tying a knot. Again, it's important that the structure you are tying should not move at all, especially specifically while you're working on portal vein or in lever. There will be a small amount of movement will tear the vessel and will result in torrential bleed. So friends, now we have reached the end of this video. So every stitch you make brings you one step closer to mastery. Embrace the challenge, embrace the journey, and become the skilled surgeon you aspire to be. I hope you have already liked the video and subscribed to our channel. And if not, do it right now and hit that bell icon for all the future updates.